very plain.
Opo, plain pa lang.
Now this goes where? I cannot imagine, I can picture your connection together. So baka tomorrow, ito na ang episode. I'm actually afraid for you guys. Parang feeling ko, not all of you will be able to finish everything.
Para pa rin kaming struggling tatlo, kaya wala na akong magagawang tulong din. Kasi hindi pa rin i-sacrifice ko rin yung trabaho ko.
Marami pa naman ako tatapusin, marami pa akong beadworks na gagawin.
And let me remind you that you have to get accessories from PNC and Farigari. Bring your models to the L'Oreal Professionnel and the L'Oreal Paris rooms now for hair and makeup. Your models will be coming in a bit. And good luck and just bahala na kayo. Models!
The three of us retained our models kasi masaya kami sa models namin. When they came in, I made sure na yung dalawa ko pang groupmates, may i-fit din sila. Hindi ko.
Sakto lang po.
My model is a diva. Like, may confident ako sa design ko ngayon at saka alam ko mag-fit yung damit ko sa kanya kasi stretch nga yung fabric na ginamit ko.
Nag-fit siya ng mabuti sa model ko. It was perfect.
At this point, no one's talking to each other.
Sobrang gawin na kami sa arts.
Magta 12 na and everything. Kinakatakot ko, baka wala akong ipasuot. As in parang, oh my God, baka first time in Project Runway history na wala akong Sobrang na-touch ako kay Patrick. We all know that he's very competitive. He's the first person who lumapit talaga siya to help. There are people who just ask you, how are you doing? Not because they are concerned. It's because they want to feel good of themselves na at least hindi ako katulad ni Tracy, wala pa nagagawa.
Matatapos mo yun. Diyos ko, black lang yun, Tracy. Isang dress lang yun at tube.
Dali ng iyog eh. Yung lalo na yung akin mahirap dahil nagtistas ako ngayon eh.
Madali naman yung damit niya. Sa amin nga ni Cherry, sobrang hirap. Tapos nag-breakdown siya kanina. Nainis ako kasi, we all know that, hindi pa kami lahat tapos. Then, umiiyak na siya because hindi niya natapos. Responsibility niya yun na matapos yung damit.
Please, kusensya ka na kung hindi ka namin tutulungan ni ano ha.
Naano lang ako na na-offend, pero naiintindihan ko naman siya kasi wala na lang magagawa kundi intindihin ko siya.
Paano yun? Pag ano bang hindi niya natapos? Kaninong kasalanan sa akin?
Siyempre, hindi matatanggal sa inyong tatlo. Ikaw yun.
Career ko man ang nakasalanan, girl. Di ba, Ning? Hindi ito pagkaibigan sa mga fairness. Good luck sa paliwanag sa grupo niyo. para pa rin kaming struggling tatlo, kaya wala na akong magagawang tulong din kasi hindi pwedeng i-sacrifice ko rin yung trabaho ko.
I'm happy with my look. Although hindi ko nagawa lahat, so far it's good. Compared to the other designers, which yung damit nila looks really unfinished.
Wala pa yung model ko until now. Parang nakaka-bad trip na walang nag-fit.
Buo yung damit ko. As in, grateful na ako doon. Buo yung damit ko.
Welcome back to the runway. As you know, in fashion, you're only good as your last collection. On the runway, you're given a chance to showcase your talents and prove to us you have what it takes to move forward with the competition. Because the winner project Runway Philippines will receive $500,000 pesos to create your own line, a fashion editorial from Preview Magazine, sewing machines from Brother International, a designer's package from Mannequin Incorporated, and a summer scholarship from SOFA's European Partner School, Instituto Marangoni. For this challenge, you were grouped into 4 teams of 3 designers each, and we asked you to create a mini collection inspired by your favorite movie. For an added bonus, we asked you to finish it in 1 day. This challenge tested your creativity, your ability to work as a team, and showed how you coped under pressure. So let's see how your designs hold up to our judges. Top Philippine fashion designer, Rahul Laurel. Hello. Model and fashion editor, Apples Eberin. And our guest judge for today, fashion designer and film buff, James Reyes. Hello. So we will score your designs as they go down the runway. The designer with the highest score from the winning team will be named winner of this challenge and will receive immunity from the next challenge. And the losing designer from the losing team will have to pack up and go home. Let's start the show.
Kinabahan kasi ako baka mayroong mangyari na, alam mo yon, mayroong matastas, mayroong malaglag na straps or something.
Nung lumabas ang model ko, nagtayuan ng balahibo ko kasi ganda-ganda ako sa ginawa ko and my model carried my garment very well. I think I nailed it.
It was quite an emotional thing for me, but still I delivered something na very well made, well constructed,